The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over western Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, okay.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Falcon, and Cimarron Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.